So you found the boat of your dreams, but you're not yet in a position to move forward because you've got something to sell. Don't worry, we can take your current boat, car or motorhome in part exchange to get you on the water. Part exchanging your boat with us is easy. It can be done in 4 simple steps. Step 1, provide us with all the information about your part exchange, such as condition, specification and equipment, any recent works that have been done, and we'll get a price to you within 24 hours. Step 2 is send us all the paperwork for your part exchange, including title paperwork, bills of sale, VAT invoice, builder certificate, and CE paperwork. Step 3 is the inspections. You inspect the boat you're looking to buy, and once you're happy with the results, we'll inspect your part exchange. Step 4, with both inspections being satisfactory, we can confirm the prices and move forward to completion and get you on the water as soon as possible.